If you are tired of Calendly syncing with your Gmail, let me show you how to remove it in just a few clicks. And before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tech guides. First, log into your Calendly account and head to the main dashboard. On the left side, you'll see a menu with different options. Click on Integrations and Apps. Inside this section, use the search bar and type Gmail. You'll see the Gmail workflow appear. That's the one we need to disconnect. Click on it and a new window will open with all the details. At the top, you'll notice a button that says Disconnect. Go ahead and click it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, just to make sure you really want to remove the integration. Simply confirm by hitting disconnect again, and that's it. Calendly is now fully disconnected from your Gmail. No more emails or automatic scheduling linked to your inbox. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials.